try the next one.
Could get number 3?
Damn, that was quick to order.
Yeah, can I get number 3?
Spicy or mayo?
Sorry?
Spicy or mayo?
Welcome to my vlog. See you there. We're about to get on this plane and go to Paris. What you know about Paris, man? But anyways, you're your boy Fab Santana. This is that travel vlog. You dig? And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. This is my dog here, by the way, man. Brother, hi, sir. Hi, igula talin lahayd min Afrika saaxiibka walaalka u socdo.
Waxaan ku Afrika oo meel fiican.
Soo laaban lahaydin bas. Soo laaban lahaydin meesha ku haysanaay.
Meesha ku haysanaay. Iyadana aad.
Hay.
Labada waa la xaga u bad.
War qeyb qaba keen leedahay.
War fiican keen.
This my boy, man. Saaxiibkay nin reer Minneapolis waa aan ku wada kulanay meeshaan elboorka ah. Wax kastoo haysta u maleena boorsadii. Thank you, boss. Yeah, I'm Santana. Yeah, sahibke. Hagam ya nash. Wawore. Waya wara sahibke intu xaq u socda adiga adaba I wado. Get 6 for G4. Somali feel oga buux. Thank you. Yeah, they had to take my cigarettes all the way at the boarding pass because it's a policy. That motherfucker might light up the cigarette right here. Ali got the waraysanaya mataqaana. Asan naftigiisa waraysi la qabanaa waxa la warkaysiyan la saaxib.
Ma aqbalanay.
Kamrada. Bentawi. Wal laga hadal siinaa fiirade.
حتى أنا قاعد بروح من الهرجة. أنا سعيد صحفي متى الوقت. صحفي يعني
صحفي محلها.
جورناليست.
صحفي سومالي صحفي جورناليست والله سومالي.
أما عربي صحفي لكن.
أنا إذا دافع عربي بس نيا هو واحد بوق نغفره أي كوي ونيو. ما تنيا ويجا Houston Rockets أو reporter كاسكشن. reporter ميه أنا أسمع شيء لك. ده عادي. افتكرت كان شكل سنة وحياله كلا جدك البوم كل وصو أخي مرتا. على صوت جراوة على سكينا وحيا وحنا قلنا سوا وعدان كنت سكفي السلام. كستول العكس كسر تورا. ولا. بدون كان براد واحدي أقف وقتي يسفع عنه كواليتي أو سين. هني ساعة. طلبنا نحاول سوماليا وكلا بدن بعدان عالي كريموكت. ما حالات سيدا ما كبر قبل كران سيدا نقول كرتو وحيد تهاي بدها بنانكا فردقا استاجا وحكي قالنا ما أنا وحن روا هذا أنت تجمعتها دونكم صور لنا حمر ربنا صور رجع في هذا حمر حتى صور برادة وما جان فقان مش يصير عيريان فقاه برادة طبعا عشران كدرنا طبعا 10 تلفون وطا أنا كاميرا لنا والله
يوتيوب ورمية
يا يوتيوب كي هو فاب سنتانا
ماذا؟
ها.
أصعد
أمثلة ما دارد فرنسا ليس صعدان بقى. ما شاء الله كل أسرار صعدنا مكاس.
هذين فرنسا بيا.
ها. نروح كسر جامعة.
فارغو صوبه سكلار.
فارغو. هذه جان دير سلش خين جري.
أوه جان دير واو جاها. long time يعني.
long time. قارنا.
2015 كي يجلس.
وما حسوا قلت حاجة.
ما 16 كي كويد كتير.
كويد بريس. جان دير سلش عياري جري. I'm about to try to finesse going and trying to get on the business class. Hopefully this will work out.
The good thing is you don't have to.
Taxi number?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? A, B, C, D, E, you're gonna go the different directions. So, oh, here, right here. You're gonna get F. It's gonna be next time.
All the way?
Yeah, all the way.
It's not a business class yet?
No,
not yet. I don't know, man. I'm trying to get in there. This is the Sony A7.
Is it filming?
It is filming. I'm a YouTube vlogger.
Yeah, I'm
Hey, you said you should have gave me a heads up. My guy right here.
I need questions about equipment.
Let me know.
What's your C number? I don't see it. 26F. Alright, yeah, this one.
All right, brother. 26F. You got the party going already? Ooh. Maybe next time. Delta.
Yeah, well, if you can put the money down.
Shit. It's hot as hell in here. It's tight as fuck. You there yet? 26F. No.
You're getting closer.
So apparently, we're right in Paris. Get it gone. Another flight. I don't know if I could really do this every freaking day. There's some people that really go, like this is their business situation. They wake up in the morning, travel like 8 hours in a flight or back and forth, whatever. Still make money and come back home. But one great thing about it, we could have a stairs. After we go through the security shit. In America, that's a no. So we'll see how this shit going. Smoking spot?
I don't know.
You work here?
Yes, man.
Alright, brother. So fellas, we riding France, to be more specific, Paris. You did. Your boy Fab Santana all the way in this bitch. I don't even know how half of this motherfuckers speak though, for real. Their language is way off. Even when they try to talk in English, they just way off. Other than that, I mean, I had a little situation where when I was coming in, a guy thought I was recording by the security check-in area, and he, you know, there's two Asian guys speaking French. That's one weird shit that I've never seen. Asian guys speaking French, and I thought it was funny, but apparently it wasn't funny to him. He was like, "I tell you one more time, delete that shit." I'm like, nigga, why do I feel like I'm in like somewhere Iraq or some shit like that? Motherfuckers scared to fucking videotape or something. But anyways. That shit was fucking weird. Showed him, act glad I deleted something because motherfuckers probably didn't know what the fuck I was doing, but I ain't deleting shit, man. That's what the fuck you get, man, fucking with me like that, but it's all good. Other than that, man, it's a beautiful place, man. We about to get on our fucking connecting flight in like a few minutes. So we'll see how that shit goes. Should be exciting to get the hell out of here, a good time, and get to Nairobi, you know, a good time. Finally came to my friend's house, apparently, so it's loud, but it was a long trip. I gotta go to sleep. I'll tell you guys a lot about it.